What is up, Scatter Crew? We are here on a Saturday morning, nonetheless, working, trying to bust a butt, get some sprinkler stuff going, because we're stacked. I mean, we're stacked with sprinkler stuff. So check this out. I'm gonna show you some stuff real quick. So, you know those, like, I don't know where any are, but let's say for instance, there's a sign right here, right, that like kind of comes up in a circle, comes back down. It's like those little wind type flags, right? Well, somebody decided they wanted to, you know, they just throw them randomly out here for sale, you know. Well, so what happened here is they stuck a sign right down here, and it hit this pipe, and it cracked it. Let's see if you can see that. See that crack right there? So it just cracked it. It's not a freeze break. It's not a freeze break because the pipe drains. So it's angled. So when we turn it off, it drains out. And this particular unit had one of those signs in it for an open house. Is that what they call them? Yeah. They call them open houses now. So, you know, condo for sale, open house. They threw a sign up, broke the sprinkler pipe. We had one the other day where they decided to make a handicap stall out of a regular, you know, parking stall. So they just threw in a handicap parking sign. I mean, there wasn't like a cut out of the concrete, you know, with the ramp, because, you know, handicaps, they need the little ramp that goes down to the gutter so they don't have to step over the curb. But anyways, they threw a sign into the ground and broke a pipe at another one of our properties too. So that's a common occurrence at these properties, is people throw pipes in the ground, or I mean these signs, and they hit our pipes, and then we have to fix them. We gotta dig it up like this and make a freaking mess because someone decided to put a pipe, or why do I keep saying pipe? Someone decided to put a sign right in the lawn, in the pipe. So we're gonna put this flex pipe here into there, and we're gonna fix it up. Stay tuned, I'll show you our fix. Alright, check this out. So obviously we're not gonna use this. It says non-pressure, non-mainline use. Well, this is a main line, so we're not gonna use it. Instead, we are going to we're gonna cut it here and put a coupler, and then we're gonna cut that elbow off, put an elbow on there, and then we're gonna take this slip fix here and put it on that end. There's the repair right there. Now, everybody might do it differently. This is just how I did it. So, if you would do things differently, let me know. Write down in the comments. Be like, hey, you're retarded. You should have done it this way. Maybe I could have done it a different way. But that way works for us, and it works for the customer too. It's not leaking anymore. Well, take that back. We have yet to check it. We're gonna check it. Always check your stuff before you bury it back up. You don't have to dig it back up again.